Today is 6/20/93, and we're going to tape the basement first of all the possessions that are down here in the basement. Stools across there, Davenport, pictures, the stand here, speakers, drum set, various amplifiers and so forth. Pool table, stereo, keyboard, small keyboard, large keyboard over there, covered up, desk, chair, low lamps, coat hanger, another lamp there, bed, lamp, chest, more miscellaneous, all through the house. Okay, dog named GiGi, smile GiGi. Okay, named, what's the name of this cat?
Pepper.
It's Pepper. And there's another one back there. What's the name of this one?
Big Boy and Commissioner.
Oh, there's two of them back here?
No. We have two names for that.
There's two names, okay. In the little tool room here in the house, storage room. Big Sherry's saddle is back over in there. Tool chest, lots of miscellaneous. Walking into the kitchen from the back door. Kitchen table, pictures on the wall. Clean plant, right over there. Cupboards, there's Harry again. Nice fridge. Microwave on top, don't forget the microwave. And the RCA stove. There again, the dog named GiGi. Cell phone with us, see again, they got controls there for the television and the VCR. Picture on the wall. Clock on the wall. There's the TV we're talking about. And VCR.